Hey guys, it's Isabel's Crazy World, and today I'm going to show you how to make packaging for a squishy. So here I have this squishy that I made yesterday. It's a crackling squishy. And I will have a tutorial on how to make this. I'll probably do it right after this video, so yeah. So I do have packaging in the squishy, so I did a different packaging, but I'm going to show you guys how to make two different kinds. So I'm going to get the packaging out of the crackling squishy. So I will be showing you how to make this kind of packaging and this other different kind. So this is the second one that I'm going to show you how to make. But I just packaged this squishy with it yesterday because I didn't want it to get defective. So yeah. But this is the second package I will be showing you how to make. So okay. So what you will be needing for this process is obviously your squishy. And the squishy looks way brighter out of the packaging. So you'll be needing a squishy. You'll be needing scissors. And you'll be needing some duct tape. And you will also be needing a Ziploc bag. You can use whatever size. Make sure that your squishy fits in the Ziploc bag. So yeah, because you need it to fit. So yeah. So first thing you want to do is you want to grab your Ziploc bag and your scissors, and you just want to cut off this part from your Ziploc bag. Okay. And it's only a tiny bit hard to cut it off because it's really hard plastic to cut. So I'm gonna get my other scissors. These are more pointy. Okay. Oops, I kind of got some of that. So then once you cut this off, you don't really need this anymore. But you can just do something, whatever you want. But I'm just going to leave it aside. And you will have this. So you'll have this. Then after you do that, you want to make sure your squishy fits in the bag. And mine does. Then you want to leave your squishy in the Ziploc bag. And then you want to grab your duct tape and you want to just, oh my god, I'm sorry guys. I'm just trying to get the duct tape out. So you just want to cut out a piece of duct tape. And it doesn't need to be that big. It depends on the size of your Ziploc bag. Mine is tiny, so it doesn't need to be that big for me. But yeah. So then you have your duct tape, and you want to grab the side that it's open in, and you just want to make sure that it's good. And you want to put the tape on like that. Then you want to flip it over. And then you want to close up the tape. If there's any extra pieces in this part, then you just want to cut a tiny bit. And still leave a tiny bit of extra. Probably this much extra in the bag. And with the extra, you're just going to fold it. Once you cut it, you want to fold it just like that. So I folded it. So now it looks sealed. And then you want to do the same thing with the other side. Oh, there's some tape there. And me and duct tape don't really go well together, but like for some reason right now it's going well with me. Just that it's like sticking all over me because it's really sticky. So okay, there. So then shut the sides, and then you want to grab the tape that's still in the top, and you want to fold it just like that. And then it's going to be shut. And you want to do that with the sides. So I'm just going to take my tape. And I don't need it that long. That's good. And then you want to put it on the sides, just like you did with the other one, like with the top. But this time you don't want to cut any extra. You just want to fold it all the way, just like that. You don't really want to cut it. And I do have some extra tape sticking out, so I'm just going to cut that. Okay. And then you just want to fold it over. Oops, wrong side. You just want to fold it over. Okay. There. Then I folded it over, and if the sides are still too big, you're just going to cut it like that, and it looks way more straight. And then you want to do that to the other side too. This is how it looks like once you finish the side. So I'm going to do that to the other side. So I'm just going to get some more duct tape. I dropped it. Ah! Oh no, I cut it. That's okay. I'm just gonna take that out. Okay. Oh, so sticky. Okay. And then you want to do that to the side. And I'm going to do this one facing you guys. So, and you just want to put that on like that. Then you're going to lift it over. And you're going to fold the extra. Then fold the other extra. Just going to I did this one a little too big. Okay, you don't want to fold it all the way. You just want to fold it in the tip. Because if you fold it all the way, then there's no possible way that it will stick. So, yeah. I accidentally did this one too. Like, I didn't put it in the tip, so there's no possible way of it sticking. So I just need to do it again. So I'm going to unfold it and then just stick it there. Okay, then I'm going to fold it right there. Then cut the extra. Okay. Oh no, I got the bag on accident. Okay, that's okay. I can just get the tape. So if you cut the bag, that's okay. You can just grab some more tape and just close it again. So I'm going to grab some more tape. You just want a little bit if you cut the bag a little bit. While you're cutting the extra. So you just want a little bit of tape. Drop the tape. There. So I got a tiny bit of tape. Then you want to see the part that you cut. Okay, I got right there. And then you just gonna fold it. There we go. And then you want to do the same thing with the bottom. But you don't need to do the bottom if you don't want to, but I am because it looks weird when you don't do the bottom. So, yeah. So you basically just do the same thing. There we go. And I don't really need more tape then, so just gonna put that and flip it. Then close the extra. Okay, cut the extra. This time I won't cut the Ziploc bag. Go. Other extra. Okay, there. So then we finish this packaging. So this is how the packaging looks like at the end. I think it's really cool, and you can still like squish this squishy and crack it if it's crackling squishy. So I think this is a really good idea for packaging. And you don't need to use duct tape, but you can use any tape, but I recommend using duct tape because it's more safer to use. Like, not safer, but like it's more stickier. So it'll be like then the packaging will stick more. So yeah. But yeah, it's really good packaging. So now I'm going to show you how to do the second packaging. For the second packaging, you'll be needing duct tape, scissors, and another Ziploc bag. But yeah. But I like this second one. It's really satisfying to open the packaging. But this one, I think it's more like a real packaging. More like, it looks more realistic, but yeah. But yeah, I'm still going to show you how to make this one. So you want to cut the top part again. You just want to cut this part again. So I'm going to do that. And this time I'm doing it with my sharper scissors. And when you do this, if you're like small, I'm 10, so I don't really need supervision from parents, supervise. But if you're younger, like 8, and you are using like really strong scissors, then you would want some parent supervising, so, and helping you like cut it. So then once you cut your bag, it'll be the same as the other one, and you want to get your squishy. So I'm going to be using my panda bun for this one, my medium panda bun. So yeah, you want to get your squishy, you want to make sure it fits, so you want to basically put the squishy in the Ziploc bag, just like the other one. It's okay if the squishy is still sticking out a little bit. Oh, that's weird. The scissors were open and they were like pointing to me, which was really scary and weird and freaky. But it's okay. So it's okay if your squishy is sticking out a little bit, just like mine. And then after that, you just want to grab some more duct tape. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, so then grab your duct tape and just, this time there's no recent side that you need, like size that you need a duct tape. You just want to, I'm going to just do that. So I put the tape on the side, and then you just want to wrap it around the bag. And I'm gonna, so you just want to keep on wrapping the tape around the bag. And it's the most satisfying packaging to like open. That's why I really like it, because it's really satisfying to open. I don't know if it's satisfying for you guys, but it is really satisfying for me because I just love the noise that it makes when you open it. I'm going to do a spoof squishy package, and you guys are going to see how it sounds when you open it. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm having a hard time getting the duct tape. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I got the tape. There we go. Okay, and then want to put it in the middle. No, I folded it. Dang it. Got some tape on it. Oh my god, it's so sticky. Okay, so we just want to put it in and fold this one in. Look how slow rising it is. Okay, and I'm gonna fold this side. Okay, there's still a hole right here, so I'm gonna get some more duct tape. There we go. And I'm going to put it in like that. I'm just gonna roll duct tape like that. So there we go. So then the squishy's inside. So those were 2 ways to make packaging. There's this satisfying packaging. And there's this one that's a little more professional. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below what other videos you want to make. Bye guys!